Right. So my name is José Pacheco and I'm an electronic engineering student from the Universidad Yacambú, and this is an assignment for the advanced English course. Today, in this tutorial, we'll go through the whole process of creating a simple electronic circuit to light up a LED diode, as you can see here. If we break down the whole process into a few steps, you'll see that it ends up being really easy. First, we need to sort out the materials or the electronic components we will use. Here we have the 9 volts battery, the LED diode that we will light up, two normal copper wires or cables, and the protoboard or breadboard as it is called. Okay, so with everything already set up, we grab our first cable and insert it right in any of the many holes the protoboard has. Then we do the same thing for the second cable, but keeping them in the same row separated by a short distance. Then we put in our LED diode into the protoboard, inserting its terminals in the same columns the cables were inserted in. Right here, it's important to clarify that there are two ways of connecting electronic components in a circuit: in series or in parallel. To sum up quickly this topic, we'll say that when we connect two components in a circuit in series, basically the two components will have the same current but different voltages. And when we connect them in parallel, what we are saying is that they will have different currents passing or flowing through the circuit, but each component will have its own voltage. In the end, it doesn't even matter because this simple circuit consists of one electronic component besides our battery, and for this reason we will say that this circuit is connected in both ways at the same time. I mean, it is connected in series and in parallel at the same time. Last but not least, we try to make contact terminal by terminal by doing this, and effectively we are seeing our LED illuminate. Here, instead of having to do this, we could add on a switch or an interrupter to control our LED. With our circuit now finished, now we have the basics of creating any kind of electronic product, such as a set of Christmas lights, or maybe a short LED display to show any kind of message we want, or anything else really. The possibilities are endless.